VFS is a kind of rural immersion, and at my time, I got an opportunity to work with an NGO in Kanpur named as Shramik Bharti. So that NGO placed me in a village called Baletha in Kanpur, Dehat. So we worked with that NGO. We were 3 students who were, placed in Shramik Bharti. In VFS, I got a chance to work to know exactly what is happening in the village, because we were there approx 25 to 30 days over there, and how NGO works for the villages and how they got fund for the development. What is the lacuna in the policy made and in its implementation? What is the gap in between? So in a nutshell, I can say what I learned in VFS or my rural immersion period. In this, I started thinking beyond myself, and started thinking to how to make a long orientation goal, and how a startup have a scope to work in villages. So these kind of knowledge I got, and in that village rural immersion period. Thank you.